guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're going to do a technique which I call the Tic Tac technique. We're going to use, well, first of all we're going to recycle an old painting that I don't really care about, so that's one. And then we're going to use acrylic that I did use last time. So it's acrylic mixed with Floetrol and silicone. I think it's going to be nice, and you're going to understand what I mean when I say the Tic Tac technique. So let's go and see what happens, and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. So guys, I think the result is great. I have to be frank though, the result, Nicole liked it much more than I do, because as by now you might know, I'm not a big fan of cells, especially small cells. I like a canvas, especially when it's big and it have a big cells. So it's hard to reproduce when you have a small canvas. It's harder. And the Rain-X, I didn't tell you about it at first, but I did use, like you saw, Rain-X over it. I think it's nice though, but you have to like small cells, of course. Maybe it's gonna do something else, I'm not sure, since the acrylic that we reused was acrylic that was mixed with Floetrol and silicone. I think Either way, it's going to be nice, but like I said, not to every taste. Of course, it's like any painting is subjective. I have to admit that I don't hate it. It's not one of my preferred one, but it's a nice technique. And as I said at first, now you know what I call it, the Tic Tac technique. I think it gives something a little bit special that we don't see, and there's a nice mixture between all the colors. So guys, anyway, I hope you like it. Like always, it's subjective. You have to try it to know if you like it, and there's a lot of way to go about it. Like we said, you cannot do the same thing twice. That's what's nice about pouring. You know, when you do realism, you have a copycat that can reproduce even a Picasso or something like that. But in pouring, forget about it. Nobody can reproduce 2 times the same thing. So that's what's nice about it. Even for those who say it's not real art, that's BS anyway. But what is art for me, it's even better when you say that no one can reproduce it. That's the fun part of it. So guys, I hope you like it, and like always, please join us on Instagram, also on Facebook. It's nice to share on a daily basis and a bit more private and personal. So, and again, guys, like always, subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys. Ciao. Oh, merci pour, merci pour.